Guys, welcome to Engineer Hub channel. Here we are going to learn about the skills, uh, what really help us, and in the present situation which are having a high demand. So, before going to this video, let us just discuss a small topic that we are selecting such a skills which are related to our jobs and related to our daily life. So these are not a skills; these are life hacks which make your life very easy. So whenever we are trying to get a new job, the skills are very mandatory thing. Even though you are lacking your academic performance or our marks, the skills will help us to develop in your career and make you an achiever. Okay, let us go. See, nowadays the project management has a great demand in the present society. For example, the project management have several steps like initiation, planning, execution, performance, and monitoring. The average project manager salary in the US is $90,000. Whatever, if we convert that currency in India means what we get 66 lakhs 23,000 and 98.23 something, right? It is not a small thing. And what is the role that a project manager will perform means he will lead the entire project and he will lead his team. Okay, all the company will always initiate projects to increase their revenue. Okay, to increase their revenue, what do you want? If they want a leader such that their company will be developed into next level or another level. So this skill is very important if you want to lead your team or if you want to lead your project. So you should know how to minimize the cost and increase the economy of a particular company. And going to the next one, coding. See, nowadays a child also doing programming and coding all. So, what is meant by coding? Coding or programming is the process of creating instructions for the computer using programming languages. Coding is used to program websites, apps, and another technologies which we interact in our day-to-day life. See, if you know a coding means the average salary you can earn by your experience is see there, it was $1 million. It is not a small amount, right? So we have several platforms to make our coding like what Microsoft Learning, Google Online Classes, and White Hat Junior, like that, Byju's. So we can learn coding in easiest way on online only, not only offline. Okay, next, Photoshop. Photoshop is a wonderful thing. If we want to open your business for your own or any private organization, or do you want to work in any company means the Photoshop will be helps, and you can enjoy that making a new photos and you can bring your imagination to your real life. For example, creating a beautiful images, graphics, paintings, and 3D artworks on your desktop, iPad, and even you can make on your phone also. Okay, the average total compensation you will get is 3,60,000 rupees by doing only Photoshop. Means it was very easiest job. Okay, not that was only example for analogy. This one, I not saying the correct analysis. Okay, this is a powerful image editing program. Okay, has been a standard tool of careers such as a graphic design, photography, and but it can also be highly valuable skill having a number of other career fields ranging from marketing to HR management. Means it was not a small thing, right? You can you can you can't imagine. Means HR management is not small thing, right? Okay, next one, SEO. No, we know that CEO by watching movies. Talapati Vijay, Mahesh Babu, etc. are playing a roles of CEO, and our favorite CEO is who? He is none other than Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google. Okay, See, the SEO means search engine optimization, not CEO. Just remind. Okay, search engine optimization. Okay, search engine optimization is nothing but the process of growing the quality and quantity of the website traffic by increasing the visibility of the website or a web page to the users of a web search engine. For example, whatever you type in the Google, you will get a correct analysis, right? And that related questions, queries, and that related websites you will get in a front page only. So you love to use Google rather than other websites. So daily they are using to develop new things and optimize the new things. So you like it. Whatever you will get. For an analogy, let us see. When compared to the Yahoo, Bing, most of the people are like to use Google only. Why? Because Google will give an approximate and clear results that really match your imagination, what you are searching, right? And second thing is, see, you will get 30 lakhs per annum. It was not a small amount, right? 30 lakhs per annum is a great thing. And thousands of SEO experts are working on freelancer independently. Independently means no one can command you. You are your own boss. You can make it by using freelancer. Okay. Next, Facebook ads. Facebook is the one of the most efficient way to advertise in online, because even your kids and your friends, your brother and your sister, etc., etc., everyone has a Facebook this day. This generation is completely a Facebook generation. So whenever they will expose to the ads, they will easily attract in the Facebook. Like I just want to buy this bag, I just want to buy this pen, like that. So Facebook is an amazing platform to advertise, like that. So average cost means does not contain per annum, per month, like not like that. Per click means if your ad got been clicked, you will get easily $0.35. Means there are thousands and millions of clicks. You can become a rich guy in a small short span, right? um, Cost per click by campaign objective, right? Campaign objective means whatever you have been explored will be shown in another accounts. They will click easily, and you will be you will be a great man. Sorry. Web development means employment. Web development simply, let us discuss what is web development. Web development means nothing but developing your website, your own website. For example, e-commerce, Amazon, Flipkart, and go something Rediff, like that. Alibaba is Chinese website, so banned in India, I think so. Paytm Mall, like that. They all are e-commerce website, and another website is what government portals, and Facebook is also a website, like that. There are many websites. Okay, employments of web developers is projected to grow as a e-commerce continues to expand. Okay. um Mainly CSS3, HTML5, like that. There are many things in the website. So maximum everyone knows about the HTML and XML also. The average compensation is 3 lakhs 80,000 per annum. Okay. Public speaking. What do you think about public speaking? Public speaking is nothing but inspiring, or for example, speaking loudly. Yeah, speaking means nothing but, um, for example, from your first campaign speech to your last address on legislation, your job as an political is fully connecting with the crowds. In fact, public speaking is also an essential skill in this role. A good speech can make and break a political career, right? Hitler, he inspired many people. So he became independent in his country. So like that, your speech can inspire many people. So speaking is also a best skill. It range between 50,000 to 5 lakhs per speech in present society. Next thing, digital marketing contains several types. For example, business advertiser, business advisor, digital copywriter, event manager, product manager, publishing rights manager, UX designer, web content manager. These are the skills you can know by making digital marketing is also is that course available right on online. You can make it possible by doing digital marketing. Okay. ah Excel knowledge. Excel knowledge means what? Many of have computers, laptops, right? In even in mobiles also, you can see one table format, nothing but, yeah, your teacher will enroll your marks and your names, your roll numbers in a particular columns and rows, and that is known as Excel. Yeah. Administration assistant, accountants, retail manager, cost estimator, and financial analyst, analyst, and project manager, business analyst, data journalist, or comes under Excel knowledge. If you have Excel knowledge, you can make through it. Okay, next, what is meant by UX designing? UX designing is a most understanding by users business goals, information, and creating a great experience that works. UX designer don't necessarily need to code, right? Coding is not that much necessary in an expert level. If you have a minimum basic knowledge about the coding, you can get into UX designing. Yeah, it also having a great demand. It also having a great demand, and it was a great job. You can get easily average total compensation of 5,34,675 rupees. Next, copywriting. Yeah, from our childhood to elderhood. Yeah, daily. What? In exams, we use this one. What is this one? Copywriting. Yes. L- Copywriting is not that copywriting. This will be differs a little. See, learn the basics of a persuasive writing. Pursue writing. Next, learn these six core copywriting skills. Okay, land your first few clients and develop and refine your freelancing process means freelancing is a platform that you can directly um, co- make a contact with your client or some company, so you can earn your money independently. So build a stream of recurring leads. Okay, if you build a team, it will be easy to work, right? Even copywriting also having a great demand nowadays. And another one, I just kept this one. Okay. See, this was the topic related to app development. See, nowadays kids also developing apps. It was a wonderful skill. It is nothing but if you have a something software like that or web page, you will relate that website or software with a certain applications. So by that application, you can easily interact with that website or the software. So average total compensation is in Indian currency, uh, 8,77,804 rupees. So finally, what I'm going to tell is these are the skills which are having a great demand in nowadays. If you want, take a screenshot for reference. I don't have any problem. Hope you enjoyed this session, buddies. Love you all. Bye bye. Post your valuable suggestion at a comment section. Okay. If you want to contact, there's my email ID. You can contact us. Okay, bye. Take care. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon if you like this. Bye bye.